Guys, you can't believe what's happening right now. Look. Ready? Ready? Still ready, guys? Okay. It's raining at my house right now. I saw lots of lightning. I'm just kidding. It is raining, but I'm very sad that it's raining because now I can't go see the puppies. I haven't made a video of the puppies or so. You haven't seen it yet, but you want to see it now. Bro, look at that. Would you believe that? Coming at your house? Like, bro. I told you. Storms always come to not distract you, but lightning can struck you. But only if your hair goes up, you're about to get struck by lightning. Also, I might film me playing some Fortnite on PC. So if you heard the video last time, I was doing some Fortnite and I said I'm not that good on PC. And yeah. So I'm just going to see you guys then. Okay, I set you guys up. I might get on now, so let's go get on. This is nice. Whew. Lucky I can't get in here. I'm lucky I got my gaming headset and my Fortnite. Okay. Whew. You can't hear it because it's very, very loud. Okay. Let's play some solos. If I can't, I'm sorry. Because sometimes it doesn't work. Yeah, but I can still do remotes, look. See? I can do that one, which is Ride Along, In the Party, Last Forever, Bear Hug, Crackdown. can see. Look, fully black. What's right here? Stare at my mouse. And if you look at your walls in a second, you will see the mouse. Or no, if you close your eyes. So let's do that. Okay, so keep staring at it. Okay. Close your eyes and now you will see it on your thing. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Mace, turn off your PC,
Why?
because your PC might get fried.
What's that mean?
We might black out, so you've got to turn off your PC.
I'm making a video.
Make sure it's off.
It's not off! Dada, I need help! I don't know how to do this by myself!
Yeah, it's fine. You should have a little bit of time. It's just so if we do black out, your thing doesn't fry. Turn your video off.
No.
You're not posting anything. No, you're not. I'm in it and I don't want you to.
Milo.
Have you deleted it?
Here's Milo.
Okay.
I'm making a video.
And you should know.
Hi, Milo. Say hi. Say hi. There's Milo. What?
No, turn it off, mate. We don't want to be recorded. Do not post it.
I was doing Milo. I'm doing Milo. Hello, hi.
So there's a nice river out across the road.
Really? Can I see it? Guys, there's a nice river across the road. Where? Oh. Yep. I think it's good. Where's the river? Oh, I see the river now. Guys, you can't see it, but it's ginormous. Do you like my back, guys? Yeah, it's nice. Look, I'll show you some practice hits with it. If you can see. Okay. Just put you right there. Just grab my back. Okay. This is how you usually do. But here's what it looks like. Hopefully some of you like it. Unspeakable, if you're watching this, you're the best YouTuber. I'm a big fan. I wish I got your merchandise because it's super duper clean. And now I might make another video. I was with the called the puppies view.